Imagine waking up to a $200 deposit in your account. No alarm, no stress, just results. This isn't a fantasy. It's my real AI-powered nightly routine that's transformed how I earn. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact tools, prompts, and strategies I use. No fluff, just actionable steps. All you need is a laptop and an open mind about what's possible with AI. We'll cover creating digital products, launching automated YouTube channels, and managing it all with a single dashboard. Ready to build your own nightly income routine? Grab a notepad. Let's get started. The first pillar is digital products create once, sell forever. I use ChatGPT as my brainstorming partner. For example, act as an expert market researcher. Generate 20 digital product ideas for busy professionals. Once I pick an idea, like a 90-day productivity planner, I have ChatGPT outline and draft the content. I polish the text in Grammarly for clarity and professionalism. Then, I use Canva to design a beautiful branded PDF in under an hour. The finished product goes live on Gumroad, priced between $15 and $25. ChatGPT even helps me write the product description. This single product, created in about 2 hours, can bring in $30 to $40 a day passively. The secret? Solve a real problem for a specific audience and let AI do the heavy lifting. Rinse and repeat for new products. That's how you build a digital product engine that works while you sleep. Next, let's make merch without ever touching inventory. Here's how. Income Stream 2. Print-on-demand merch, powered by AI image generators. I use Midjourney to create trendy, niche designs. Think astronaut meditating on the moon, or witty coding jokes. The key is detailed prompts for unique, high-quality results. I upscale the best images for print quality, then upload them to Printful. Printful connects to my Etsy shop, auto-generating listings and mockups. When someone buys, Printful handles printing and shipping. I never touch inventory. My job? Just the initial 30-minute design session. Some designs flop, but a few catch on. One simple joke nets me $24 to $40 a day, months after creation. It's a numbers game, but a passive one. Create, upload, and let the system do the rest. Now, let's automate YouTube without ever showing your face. Here's the blueprint. Next up, a faceless YouTube Shorts channel that runs on Autopilot. Pick a broad, affiliate-friendly niche like cool Amazon gadgets. Use ChatGPT to generate dozens of short, punchy scripts with a hook, problem, solution, and call to action. Paste scripts into Pictory, which auto-generates stock video, AI voiceover, and captions. Batch create 5 to 10 shorts in a single sitting. Add affiliate links in every description and pinned comment. Each short can rack up thousands of views and affiliate clicks for weeks or months. I spend about 2 hours a week, and this channel brings in $50 to $60 a day consistently. The real money is in affiliate commissions, not ad revenue. Upload, automate, and let YouTube work for you. But how do you turn viewers into loyal fans? That's where email comes in. Let's automate that too. Your email list is your most valuable asset. Algorithms can't take it away. I use Jasper to write and ConvertKit to automate my email funnels. Offer a freebie like a sample from your digital product in exchange for emails. Place the sign-up link everywhere. YouTube, Gumroad, social bios. New subscribers get a pre-written welcome sequence, value first, not sales. Jasper crafts friendly, trust-building emails that nurture your audience. After the welcome, I send weekly newsletters again, written with Jasper. I weave in affiliate offers I genuinely recommend. One well-placed link can generate hundreds in a day. On Autopilot, my email system brings in $40 to $50 a night. Build trust, deliver value, and let automation do the rest. Now, how do I keep all this organized? Enter Notion AI. With so many moving parts, you need a command center. Mine is Notion AI. I use a master content calendar, every product, video, email, and merch idea in one place. Each entry tracks status, publish date, and links. Notion AI drafts scripts, finds affiliate products, and summarizes content right inside my workflow. I plan my week in minutes, create a content plan for automation income, 3 shorts, 1 newsletter, 2 merch ideas. Notion AI generates a to-do list I drag into my calendar. It's like having a strategic assistant that keeps everything organized. I spend 30 minutes planning on Sunday, then just execute. No chaos, no overwhelm, just a calm, predictable system. Notion AI is the brain behind my entire operation. It keeps me focused on what matters, building assets, not busy work. Ready to build your own system? Here's your next step. That's my 5-part system for earning $200 plus every morning while I sleep. ChatGPT for digital products, Midjourney for merch, Pictory for YouTube, Jasper for email, and Notion AI to manage it all. It's not magic, just smart setup and automation. Once built, these systems work for you, freeing your time for what matters. If you found value, hit like and subscribe for more AI income strategies. Which part will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I rate everyone. Thanks for watching. This is Automation Income, turning screen time into income time.